styles get caged and let off like a gauge. The stage gets wrecked by what the sage put on page. Cause I put a pen in motion with the notion of eliminating static. Using lyrical tactics. 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 Lyrical tactics. Using lyrical tactics. Lyrical tactics.
Rappers are hesitant, stepping to me, a beatdown is more definite. I got the resonant rhymes, putting you in the deficit. Rappers can't hang, can't bang, can't go the stretch while my mind finds more rhymes with the catch. I'm still the physical, mystical, artistical, individual, making you run your residuals. I'm maximum, you minimal, stolen African mineral, ill with the literal, you still a clitoral. I'm strong-willed and spiritual, when you hear it you'll get hysterical. For you to beat me, it's gonna take a miracle. See, I've been dumb lyrical ever since they cut my umbilical. So me being whack, that's not applicable. A phony rapper's caught unpredictable. Rap is filled with despicable, and please to speak the same old predictable. Rhymes about who get most dapper, wet most with clappers, but I flip it on New York like a West Coast rapper. To flow nappers, I'm troubling, cause what I bubble cannot be doubled with high-speed dubbing. So tell your team to bring the subbing, cause no one can outlast me. I shine like classy Freddie Blassie. Just ask me and I'll show ya. Got rappers' hearts like they organ donors, turning big willies to big Wallonas, and still is known to put a pen in motion with the notion of eliminating static.
Using lyrical tactics. 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 Using lyrical tactics.
From the grave to the play pen, PM to AM, day out and day in, my lines slayman, clergy or layman, I glow like Raiden when I'm in Mortal Kombat. I'm beyond that, and if you like we don't contact, we rappers washed up like laundromats, Vonda Cash. Yo, I throw out all the trash, your flow's a boulder dash, I'm all in batch, flow bandits below standard, Mr. Vu will bring it to this whole planet, using ballpoint lead to anoint heads at any point spread. I'm making fat joints like dreads, my flow's liquid metal like T2, should shape and eat ya, while your flow sound walk like Charlie Brown's feature. The untamed hip-hop preacher, my rhymes precipitate, no MC can reciprocate, many anticipate, but voodoo never will capitulate, till on the top I situate, I run through like acetate, while you masturbate, in my mind flows I capsulate, decapitate and decapacitate, last joint I was dope, but now I graduate to something stronger, rappers I flagellate and agitate and granulate, all the static.
Using lyrical tactics.